Alright, so we are doing a very interesting experiment and checking out if the barcode parser by CSI Works will handle these barcodes that are pharmacy barcodes that have price embedded into them. And so I'm just curious to find out if this is going to work myself, and we're about to find out together. So first I'm going to configure my barcode parser by going to, you guessed it, settings, and then accessibility, and then here we have this thing that we allow. Alright, so that's turned on. Let's try again. Alright, so app is ready for use. I'm going to click on the three lines and go on to barcode settings, and here we're going to choose advanced settings, and we're going to hit continue. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this barcode here, and that worked. The barcode scanned, and now we're going to basically say that we want to ignore the first digit, and we want to actually, we can make like it's up to us, right? Like we can make this whole thing to be product code. Like for example, we can say ignore the letter C, make 108 1 2 3 4, right? Like, so you can make this as long as you want, like this. We can literally just make the whole number like that, to be a product code, and then we can say that this right here is the price capitalized, and this is a price lowercase, meaning cents and dollars. Right, so is this gonna work? Let me see. What do we need to ignore? The last, so it is 601. Yeah, okay, here we go. We have it. Let's try it. So the product code is going to be this, and the price is going to be 601. All right, so I can go ahead and save this, and now I have this thing defined in here, and we can go to the inventory app like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a new item. We'll call it pharma ticket. I'm not like, so I guess I need like more data, but I'm gonna make this variable, right? And in the product code, I'm going to enter some values, right? So I can go ahead and just scan this barcode, and then if you recall, we are ignoring the K. We don't have to, but like right now we are, and the last four digits are price, like that. So I'm gonna leave this as a product code, right, like that. I'm gonna hit save. And alright, so now we can just go ahead and just scan this thing in the register, and we're gonna get pharma ticket at 601. 601. So it does work, but my question is, well, actually the answer is right here, right? The ticket number is 1082553. So I guess I need to make an adjustment to how I read this barcode. I can go to my variable price and go to my advanced settings, and basically just, I guess what we're using is just, here, let me scan this barcode so it's easier to work with. There it is, right? So you get the numbers, and see how it says 1082553. So I'm assuming that 1082553 is the product code, and everything else should be ignored, like this. So we will ignore these three digits. We will add without the K, right? So we will ignore the K, and the product code will be 1082553, which matches this right here, 1082553. So here it is. it tells us that the product code needs to be 1082553 and the price is going to be 601. I just see I, right? Okay, good. And then I can go ahead and save this like that. So we've made some adjustments. I need to save. Alright, now we need to go to the inventory, and we're going to grab our pharma item like this and just get rid of the 3 zeros like that. Alright, so that's the new product code. And now we can try it. Try again. There it is, pharma ticket at 601. So yes, the answer is yes, we can parse price embedded pharma tickets.